Welcome to Review Lab. The best drum set for toddlers is probably one of the most exciting and engaging toys you can introduce to your little one, offering a fantastic avenue for creative expression and early musical development, allowing them to explore rhythm and sound in a fun, interactive way that can foster a lifelong love for music and provide hours of entertainment. Number 5. Mendini by Cecilio 3-piece junior drum set. Crafted from high-quality wood and metal, this drum set offers a clear and powerful sound. Its vibrant metallic red finish with a glittering appearance adds a dazzling glow to any space. Grab the sticks and start having fun. Designed for exceptional stability, it features a triangular fixation structure with anti-slip rubber feet for a secure grip. Robust brackets provide balanced support, giving you confidence and stability as you play. This all-in-one kit includes a bass drum, mounted tom, mounted snare drum, and a cymbal. It also comes with wooden drumsticks and an adjustable padded drum seat for comfort. This 3-piece junior drum set is fully functional and designed specifically for beginners. It has everything you need to get set up and playing in no time, letting everyone experience the joy of rhythm. While it arrives unassembled to prevent shipping damage, assembly is very simple. A detailed installation video is provided to help you complete the setup easily. Replacement parts are available if needed. What we like. This drum set is built to last with high-quality wood and metal, ensuring durability and a clear sound. Its stable design with anti-slip feet means it stays put while your little one rocks out. If you're looking for a robust, all-in-one starter kit that's easy to assemble and provides a great foundation for musical exploration, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The drum set is a good size for toddlers and has a fun design. It's easy for little ones to play with and makes a pleasant sound. The drums are durable and have held up well to frequent use. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed for your Fire Tablet. It's packed with 6 educational games to make learning fun for ages 3 to 5. Experience the magic of Osmo where physical game pieces come to life on your screen. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, just the included Osmo base and your Fire tablet. This kit helps children master early math with counting and shapes, and early reading with letter formation and phonics. They'll build essential skills while playing. Beyond academics, it fosters critical thinking, imagination, and fine motor skills. It's a comprehensive learning tool for young minds. The box contains the Osmo base, reflector, game pieces, and access to all 6 engaging apps. Get ready for hours of interactive learning. Osmo is back and better than ever. This kit includes full access to all 6 educational apps and dedicated customer service for endless learning fun. What we like. This is not a traditional drum set, but an interactive learning system for tablets. It uses physical pieces to bring educational games to life, focusing on early math and reading skills. If you're seeking an engaging way to introduce your child to learning through play, with a strong emphasis on STEM and essential life skills, this is an excellent option. What people say. The drum set is a great starter instrument for young children. It includes a bass drum, snare drum, cymbal, and drumsticks, providing a complete setup for beginners. The drums are sized appropriately for toddlers, making them easy for little hands to play. Number 3. PAXCESS Electronic Drum Set G3066LG. Experience a professional drum set that's also incredibly portable. It comes with everything you need to play various music styles, and it's compact enough for kids to take anywhere. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery. This means you can take your music sessions outdoors or play whenever inspiration strikes. Practice anytime, day or night, without disturbing anyone. Simply plug in your headphones for a private and efficient drumming experience, perfect for late-night sessions. Immerse yourself in astonishing bass effects with the high-quality built-in dual speakers. You can adjust the volume and use the foot pedals for a truly realistic drumming feel, no external speakers needed. This versatile instrument allows you to record your performances and play along with demo songs. Connect it to your computer via MIDI to produce music or even play games, expanding your creative possibilities. What we like. This electronic drum set is incredibly portable, allowing kids to take their music anywhere thanks to its roll-up design and rechargeable battery. The headphone jack is a game-changer for quiet practice sessions, making it perfect for apartments or late-night drumming. If you need a drum set that offers flexibility, quiet practice options, and the ability to play on the go, this is the one to consider. What people say. The drum set is a good size for toddlers. It's easy for little hands to hold and play. The sound quality is surprisingly good for a toy drum set. Number 2. Best Choice Products 3-Piece Beginner Drum Set. This drum set is perfectly sized for children aged 3 and up. It includes all the essential sounds a beginner musician needs to start learning. The carefully shaped and sealed wood shells create stable resonance. Enjoy a warm, dynamic tone with every beat. Assembly is a breeze with all the necessary hardware included. A single drum key is provided for final adjustments and future tuning. Each drum shell features a bright, smooth finish. This ensures easy upkeep and preserves the sound quality for years to come. This complete set includes everything needed for extended jam sessions. It comes with toms, a bass drum, cymbal, sticks, pedal, and a cushioned stool. What we like. This beginner drum set features all wood shells for a warm, resonant tone and a durable high-gloss finish that's easy to maintain. It includes everything a young musician needs to get started, like a stool and drumsticks. If you're looking for a classic, aesthetically pleasing drum set that provides a good introduction to acoustic drumming for younger children, this is a solid choice. What people say. This drum set is a great starter kit for toddlers, with a realistic design and good sound quality for its size. The drums are easy to assemble and the included drumsticks are perfectly sized for little hands, making it fun and engaging for young children. Number 1. Best Choice Products Kids 5-Piece Beginner Drum Set. This drum set is perfectly sized for children between 2.5 feet and 5 foot tall. It's an ideal starter instrument, allowing them to learn and play from an early age before moving on to a full-sized model. Crafted with all wood drum shells, this instrument produces a pleasant, rich, and dynamic tone. Its aesthetic look also fits beautifully into any room. This is a complete all-in-one drum kit, meaning no additional purchases are necessary. It comes with all the drum parts, a stool, and drumsticks so your child can start playing right away. The shiny high-gloss finish not only looks great but also protects the drums. This keeps them in good condition and guards against wear and damage. It's never too early to introduce children to musical instruments. Familiarizing them with rhythm and music at a young age is optimal for learning and comfort. By the time they are ready for a standard size model, they will have already learned the basics of rhythm and music. This beginner set provides a solid foundation for their musical journey. What we like. This 5-piece junior drum kit is perfectly sized for children and comes with all the essentials, including cymbals, pedals, and a stool, making it a truly all-in-one package. It's designed to introduce very young children to the basics of rhythm and music. If you want a comprehensive starter kit that allows your child to begin learning music from an early age and grow into it, this is an ideal option. What people say. The drum set is a great starter instrument for young children, offering a good introduction to rhythm and music. It features a durable design that can withstand enthusiastic play from toddlers, ensuring longevity. The set includes various drums and cymbals, allowing for a range of sounds and encouraging creative expression. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.